stupid Knuckles broke the first wall. I mean, something. Yeah, I don't know. I really don't know what to do. Yeah. Like, there's nothing to do right now. Jesus Christ, girlfriend, do you know how to knock?
Anyway, I need to tell you something.
What is it?
Come. Wait a minute. Where is he? Never mind.
So, what did you want to tell me?
Okay. Who is that?
Girlfriend? That's literally you.
Oh, yeah, it is.
Is this what you wanted to tell me?
Yeah.
You know, sometimes I think. Never mind.
So, what do you want to do?
Which guess what?
What? Oh, something else. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Oh, okay. Well, I need to go do something.
Well, that was very unexpected. It was kind of weird. Like, girlfriend maybe going there. Like, she literally told me like, who was that on the TV? Like, that was literally her. Hey, what's up, BF? Well, I have no idea what to do. I'm so bored. I just wanna, like,
Hi.
what, what, weren't you just in there?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Never mind. Well, my shit closed. Well, I think it's time to close the video. Yeah. Sonic Boom Plush. Final Seed is coming out pretty soon. I promise. Please, I promise it's coming out. I promise you guys it's coming out. I promise you guys I won't lie. It's actually coming out. Yeah. So, anything you want to say?
Oh, yeah. Bye.
Yeah, bye guys. I'm gonna go get a chili dog.
I
Let's
want to
go.
come.